If you've ever wondered how successful dropshippers seem to always know what's hot, this video is for you. Let's face it, finding the right product can feel like throwing darts in the dark. But what if I told you there's a way to see exactly what's working for your competitors and how much money they're really making? Today, I'm gonna show you how to spy on your competitors' Shopify stores using a product research tool to uncover the exact products and strategies they're using to crush it. If you're ready to stop guessing and start scaling, stick around. I'm about to show you how to take your Shopify store to the next level. My name's Alex if you're new here, and without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Okay, so I found the Shopify store right here. This is the netcloud.com. It's this product right here. I'm sure many of you guys have seen this in the past. They're selling it for $49.97, marked down from $99. But let's say I just came across this website and I want to know what kind of revenue numbers they're currently hitting with this product, because this is a product I might want to sell myself and I want to see if it's worth it. Now, I've seen this product from dozens of Shopify stores in the past, and I know it's a previous winner, but I want to determine if it's currently saturated and even worth selling. So look how easy this is, guys. I'm going to go to the top. I'm going to go ahead and copy that URL right there. And I'm going to go to Zik Analytics Store Sales Tracker. And I'm just going to paste this URL right here and click search. So after doing that, it's going to bring up all this data for the NetCloud. You can see they're a single product store. They have this product right here. It was uploaded in October of 2023. They're selling it for $49.97 like we already mentioned. They have over 900 sales in the last 30 days. And they've made over $50,000 in sales from this single product during that time. We can go ahead and look at their sales data right here, and we can try to spot trends using the sales data from the past month. We can also see that they have 3 social channels right here. They're currently active on Facebook, X, as well as Pinterest, although they don't have any active ad channels right now. And we can go ahead and see what apps the store is currently using by viewing this list right here. So we can see they're using floating widgets, as well as that free shipping bar. So if you come across any apps on your competitors' Shopify stores, you can see what exactly they are using this list right here. And we can also see that this store is based in the United States. They're using the Day Beautify theme, and their currency is in USD. So based on these numbers right here, this one product store hitting $50,000 in sales every 30 days, this is definitely a product I'd be interested in selling. You can also find Shopify stores you've never seen before using the store finder from Zik Analytics. So we can go ahead and search for Shopify stores using all of this search criteria that you can see right here. We can look up different store types, whether it's a dropshipping store, a print-on-demand store, or a one-product store. We can look at the different social channels they currently use, as well as the ad channels they have running. We can search for certain keywords or exclude other keywords. We can look up stores by country, language, as well as currency. We can change the sales date range. We can analyze store sales data from the last 7 days all the way up to the last 60 days. We can do a minimum and maximum amount of sales, revenue, as well as active products. So for example, let's go ahead and look up dropshipping stores. And for keyword right here, we'll say we want to find stores that are currently in the dog niche. We'll go ahead and click search based on this criteria right here. We can always do a minimum amount of sales or revenue, but we'll go ahead and just leave that blank for now. So right here, you can see a list of Shopify stores that are selling in the dog niche. You can see the stores over here. You can see their social channels, their ad channels, the amount of products they're currently selling, the amount of sales they've gotten, as well as the revenue generated over the last 30 days. So right here, this store Daisy Dog stands out to me. It was created in May of 2022. They're using YouTube as their social channel, and they're doing all of their advertising with Facebook ads. We can see they have 138 active products, over 2,500 sales in the last 30 days, bringing them in $240,000 in revenue. We can analyze this store further by clicking this icon right here, and we can see that they're based in the US, but their currency is in the New Zealand dollar. We can look at their sales data right here. You can see it's pretty consistent throughout this entire month. We can see all of these different apps that Daisy Dog is using, So they're using this SEO friendly blog, Judge.me reviews, Loadify, as well as Amazon Importer. And if we scroll down, we can see all of the different products that they're currently running. So they have this AirTag dog collar that we've seen in the past. They have this wool blanket, this different leash. We can see this fleece cover right here has brought in over $3,500 in sales over the last 30 days, standing out from all of these other products, except for this memory foam dog bed right here. That's brought in over $5,500 in sales. Same thing with this memory foam dog bed right here. So you guys can scroll through this list of products and spot trends in products that stand out from others. So for example, this product right here has brought in $900 over the last 30 days, but this one's brought in almost $5,000. This one's brought in $4,000, $4,000, $4,000. And if we go back up to the top, you guys can see that they actually have their shipping protection right here. This is just an upsell. This $2 and $3 upsell has brought in almost $500 for this brand. So we can go ahead and look at their actual store by clicking this URL up here. And we can see that they specialize in dog beds and covers and different types of accessories. We get this pop-up message right here. Enjoy 10% off your first purchase. They're trying to get our email as well as our dog's name. I always like pop-up forms with some sort of an incentive to capture customer emails. We'll X out of that. We can see some testimonials down here. They have an entire page of TikToks highlighting their products with UGC. And we have testimonials down here, size guide, which bed is best for me, and so on. So this brand does a really good job selling these dog beds. Going back to Zik Analytics, we can see what exactly their ad strategy is by clicking this meta icon right here. So this is gonna show us all of the current ads running from Daisy Dog. We can see all of these different video ads that they started running mid-September, and they're all active right now, so they're obviously performing very well for them. So let's go ahead and click on one as an example. Okay, so you guys can see these graphics right here. It looks like a lot of them are actually made in Canva. So once again, going back to their page on Zik Analytics, I wanna go ahead and see their different social channels. So we'll go ahead and click on this YouTube icon right here. And we can see the YouTube page for Daisy Dog. They're obviously primarily focused on Facebook ads, as you can see all the different video ads they have running. Their YouTube channel only has 46 videos and 57 subscribers, but we can see that they still post. Their last video was posted 2 weeks ago, although their previous video before that was posted a year ago, 2 years ago. So they're not very active on YouTube. They do have YouTube Shorts, but nothing with a significant amount of views. They're obviously just testing the waters on YouTube and doing most of their marketing on Facebook. All right, let's try the store finder once again, but this time we're gonna search for print-on-demand stores. So we're gonna select store type right there. I'm not gonna include or exclude any keywords this time, but I will say a minimum amount of revenue of $5,000 generated over the last 30 days. So using this search criteria right here, print on demand store, and minimum amount of revenue as $5,000, let's go ahead and search for stores that match all of this. So right here, we can see all of these different print on demand stores. We can see their creation date, their social channels, their ad channels, their active products, sold products, as well as revenue. And we can see all of these different brands are generating all of this revenue right here. GetShirts.com is doing over $500,000 a month. Skullaholic is doing over $400,000 a month. Legend Master is doing over $400,000 a month. One brand that stands out to me is Mother Proud. They're active on all of these different social channels. They're advertising on Facebook. They have over 4,000 active products, over 11,000 sales in the last 30 days, and they've done over $313,000 in revenue. So let's go ahead and analyze this store. We'll go ahead and click this icon right here, and we can see all of the data for motherproud.com. Like we already mentioned, they have all of these different social channels. They have Meta, YouTube, Instagram, as well as Pinterest. And they're currently advertising their products with Facebook ads. They're created in 2016, have over 4,000 active products, and like we already mentioned, have done over $300,000 in revenue over the last 30 days. That's over $10,000 a day with this print-on-demand store. And this is just one example of many. So we can go ahead and analyze their sales data. You can see it's pretty consistent over the last month. They're doing just a little over $10,000 a day with a few days under that. Once again, we can see all of the apps that the store is using. They're currently using a lot more apps than some of the previous ones we went over. They have SEO, upsell apps, reviews, print on demand, image editing, and more. But now let's see what types of products they're actually selling. Scrolling down, we can see this Navy Love hoodie, Navy girlfriend who needs her prints, Air Force mom. Okay, so this store is for moms and family members of active service members. So anybody who has a loved one in the military. This is definitely a great, passionate niche to be in. And personally, I hope they go the extra mile and donate a percentage of their profits to veterans. That would give them a great brand appeal with a strong emotional connection. And obviously that's exactly what this store is going for. But you guys can see all of these different tank tops and t-shirts and hoodies and the amount of sales they're currently generating. Each one of these products over here is doing over $1,000 every 30 days. And we have some products that stand out more than others, doing $2,700, $2,500. And we can take a look at their actual website over here. So you can sort it by different military branches, family members, occasions, product types. You can make your own custom products. Overall, this is a very well-built website. It touches on customer emotions. They have a ton of social proof. They have a blog over here, Christmas gift for deployed military members, how to cope guide for moms. Let's scroll down to the About Us. Now, it doesn't look like they currently donate a percentage of their sales, but like I already mentioned, this is something I would definitely do if I ran this brand myself. All right, one more time, let's go to Zik Analytics. I'll go back on the store finder and we're gonna find one product stores this time. I'm gonna leave all the other criteria blank. No minimum amount of revenue, no keywords, nothing, just one product stores. I'll go ahead and search for that based on this criteria. So right here, you can see all of these different one product stores and the amount of revenue each one's currently generating. You have stores that stand out from others, like this shoulder reliever right here, doing over $400,000 a month, compared to other stores that are doing $30,000 a month, $80,000 a month, $98,000 a month, $22,000 a month. Don't get me wrong, these are still good revenue numbers, but you're gonna find stores and products that stand out from the rest. And that's exactly what you're looking for. So we can see this product is doing over $700,000 a month. These ones are doing $16,000 and $250,000 a month. This one's doing $100,000, $18,000, $75,000. Keep scrolling through this list, paying attention to all this data until you find stores that stand out to you. So as I'm scrolling down this list, I see this brand doing $14,000, this brand doing $54,000, this one's doing $17,000, but this store right here, RockyRobot.com, is doing over $250,000 in sales every 30 days. So that's definitely something that catches my attention. They're a one product store, they're advertising on Facebook, and they currently utilize all these different social channels. I'll go ahead and click this icon right here and we can analyze this store. So once again, we see they're a one product store. We see all of the current active ad and social channels. We see the amount of sales they're generating. We can analyze their sales data right here. You can see it's a little less consistent than some of the stores we've gone over, but at the same time, you have to pay attention to this. The product they're selling costs upwards of $200 for their customers. So with high ticket dropshipping products, your sales might not be as consistent as if you were selling something else. We can go ahead and close that. We can go ahead and look at the apps that the store is currently using. It's literally just this Shopify Marketplace Connect right here. It should be a pretty simple website. We'll go ahead and look at that in just a second. We can click recently sold right here, and it's gonna show you the sales that the store is currently generating. You're gonna see the price it's sold for, as well as the sales date. So all of these sales right here were from today already. So we can keep scrolling through this list of recent sales and see all of these fall on today's date. So this store has already done thousands of dollars today with this product. Going on their website, it's pretty simple, like we already mentioned. They really don't have any apps or anything that stands out. They have testimonials, videos, high quality images, and gifts of their product. They have some funny photos of it. Here's the actual product right here, being sold for $209, marked down from $250. That's actually not that strong of an offer. I would definitely create some sort of a stronger offer, especially selling a higher ticket item like this. So overall, we have a pretty good feel of how this store is structuring their product page. We can go ahead and click on the meta icon right here to see all of their current ads. And wow, to my surprise, they actually aren't running any ads right now, at least on Facebook. They might have shifted their focus to another platform like TikTok or even influencer marketing, or the more organic route like SEO and blogging, but we know that they're currently not running any Facebook ads right now, which is surprising considering they're doing over $270,000 every 30 days. So scrolling back down to the Rocky Robot, we can go ahead and source this product on AliExpress by clicking this icon right here. It has no exact matches, so we can go ahead and click on AliExpress once again to find this product. So if I had to guess, I would say that this product is probably patented, so you're not going to find the exact same product, but you're going to find similar variations that you can source and sell yourself directly from AliExpress. So this allows you to find trending products, confirm that they're winners using the sales data, and source them directly on AliExpress. Product research used to take hours, if not days, but now you can find products to sell and get started selling them right away with Zik Analytics. Zik Analytics is one of the most powerful product research tools out there right now. And using a product research tool like this will set you miles ahead of your competition. You can see which products they're focused on, how much money they're making with each product they're selling. You can see the current ads they have running. You can source their suppliers. And all together, you can outsell your competition using this strategy. I'll leave a link for Zik down below in case you're interested. You can get started with a trial to see if you like it, then always subscribe to a plan later on if this is something you want to use. But coming from an experienced dropshipper like myself, this is a tool that I use every single day. Now you know how the pros find their winning products and stay ahead of the competition. Spying on your competitors has never been easier. Zik Analytics gives you everything you need to find winning products and stay ahead of the game. So don't just watch, go apply this right now. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of products you're eyeing and how this tool has helped you. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this, and make sure to share this video with somebody that's serious about scaling their Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.